Hey, dice rolls and money coming your way in Monopoly Go. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Monopoly Go modded version with unlimited money and dice rolls. This is super cool, so let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So, young guys and young girls, head for this site. It's called zoomods.com, and it has tons of modded apps. Alright, so once we make it over to this site, we're going to bar, and we're just going to go ahead and type in Monopoly Go. As you can see, Monopoly Go mod. So press on it, guys, and begin your download. Now this download is really cool because it doesn't require a computer, it doesn't require a jailbreak, none of that saucy stuff that you guys have come to be irritated by. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this Monopoly Go hack install. Now I do need to mention that before we can install the Monopoly hack, we have to do one more step, which is a verification, but it's easy and there's a big reason why people mess up on it. So as you can see, guys, it says right here, please install 2 free apps to automatically install Monopoly Go mod. So you're probably like, well, I can't do the verification, it's too hard. The reason people generally assume this is hard is because they don't know what they're doing. They'll download 2 of these apps, which is all you have to do. And that's where they'll end the process. But the matter is, you need to read the instructions below each app and complete them. TikTok, run for 30 seconds. WGT Golf, reach level 10. SoFi, open, create an account. So anyway, just press tap to install. It will redirect you to the App Store. And when you download the app, guys, make sure that you're actually reading and completing the instructions below each app. Because if you don't do that, this will not work. Also, you're probably going to see different apps than me. That's totally fine. So if you see different apps, don't get scared or something. It's just whatever apps are in your country. So I'm going to see you later, and peace out.